Welcome to Vet Mentor AI. I am Paul Helensky, the founder, and I am here to walk you through the process and some of the tools. Welcome to the VA Disability Claim Optimization process. This form is designed to help veterans efficiently document their service-related conditions and experiences. We understand this process can seem overwhelming, but we'll guide you through each section step by step. Let's start with your personal information section, where you'll enter basic details like your name, contact information, and current housing situation. The form specifically asks about homelessness risk to ensure proper support services are available if needed. Moving to service information, you'll need to specify your branch of service, date served, and rank at discharge. Important questions follow about combat zone deployment and any toxic exposure incidents. The medical history section is particularly crucial. Here, you'll list all service-related disabilities, things like PTSD, hearing loss, or back pain. There's space to detail any injury sustained during service and subsequent medical treatment. Remember to include both ongoing conditions and those that may have worsened over time. The additional information section covers current employment status, dependents, and specific diagnoses. These details help create a complete picture of your situation and needs. Finally, you'll need to provide consent for AI-assisted processing of your claim. This helps streamline the evaluation process while maintaining the security of your information. Welcome, veterans. Today I'll show you how to use your VA claim support document to strengthen your disability claim. Think of this report as your roadmap to a successful claim. Start at the top, where you'll find your service history and current conditions. This confirms what the VA is evaluating. Next, look at the evidence section. It shows your existing ratings and new conditions. Pay close attention here because it points out what documentation you still need. The impact on daily life section is crucial. Use this to guide conversations with your doctors and when writing personal statements. When you see claim weaknesses, don't worry. These aren't failures, they're opportunities. Each bullet point tells you exactly what evidence to gather. The recommendation section is your action plan. If it mentions getting medical records or statements from family and coworkers, start collecting those. Watch for mentions of secondary conditions. These suggest additional ways to connect your disabilities to your service. Remember, this report isn't just paperwork. It's a tool designed to help you succeed. Share it with your healthcare providers and VSO to ensure everyone understands exactly what documentation you need. By following these guidelines, you're taking positive steps towards strengthening your claim.